Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is November 16th. Grain markets overnight, rather quiet. Corn roughly unchanged. Beans up slightly after trading back and forth. But export sales this morning, kind of the driver for that. We did have, after a huge, massive sale last week for corn that was announced, kind of coming back down to life here today. The expectation for corn, 1.2 million metric tons to 1.9, came in at 955,000, so below estimates there. Corn, or for beans, wheat, very, very neutral. So no major changes or no surprises, I should say, out of those markets. So expect to see some more choppy trade out of them. Looking at some of the livestock today, we did have cattle that was down yesterday. Hogs pulling back as well as far as the back months for hogs. The December, though, finding a little support, maybe some short covering here before this weekend and before we get into a shortened week next week. But we did have hog weights that are came out that they are higher. We've seen an increase as far as weights. That's bearish news at this point for hogs. The trend's certainly lower. We've been down 10 out of the last 11 days for hogs. So we may see any kind of rallies right now as opportunities to continue to sell against until we see some kind of change. For cattle, we do have a cattle on feed report tomorrow. And so expecting to see big placement numbers once again. They're expecting to see some bearish reports or bearish numbers. Exports for beef coming in real light here this morning as well. So that may have cattle start off a little lower this morning. Box beef was down again last night. So not a lot of positive news yet, but we'll see as we go throughout the day. A lot of times for this livestock market, when you throw a lot of bearish news at it, tends to find something else to do. And so we tend to find a different type of a trade than what's expected. So we'll see. But the grains, a lot of chatter still talking about a seasonal in the beans. We tend to see strength in the beans from right now till the end of the year. We'll see if that happens, but a lot of back and forth trade overnight. Nothing overnight that's signaling that we'll see some more buying here today. We've got some good resistance above us that we need to get above and close above it for the week in order to see this stronger move really happen. Stock futures are up again, finding a recovery after seeing 2 days of lower trade. So that's up a little bit. The dollar back and forth of unchanged as crude oil drops. Down about 15 to 20 cents right now, so not finding any significant drop, still hovering above that $55 a barrel. But give us a call. We're here to help you out. You can reach us 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day. We'll chat again with you tomorrow. Take care.